Put salt in Coca-Cola and thank me forever. It's amazing! To start today's tip, we will put 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola in a container. This is the best secret to shine pots and pans. After that, add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix. My friends always ask me the secret of this mixture. I do not spend more money on conventional products. Then we will add half a cup of detergent. If you prefer, you can even increase the amount of ingredients in this tip and store for future use. There will be no more greasy pots in your home after you put this tip into practice, remembering that it is good to always mix as soon as you add a new ingredient. Detergent is an indispensable item for this tip, in addition to cleaning also, for all the aroma that will leave in all items that use the mixture. Finally, we will add half a cup of water and stir again. Now, when mixing one last time, we will have our tip ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Beatrice Steady from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the application, we will put all the liquid in a bottle, also facilitating storage. I am using the same bottle of detergent. Only this amount is necessary for a thorough cleaning in your kitchen. I'm sure you have never used this mixture of ingredients, and it works perfectly for a complete cleaning in your home. This mixture is impressive. Only on contact with fat can easily remove, and it is only necessary to rub for the complete removal of stains. This product acts in a few moments, removing any excess all easily. Salt acting together with detergent and Coca-Cola can directly remove fats easily. After rubbing, we already noticed the difference when we put our pan in running water. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.